Placing SIP order in mutual fund made easy with Tradebulls Touch 2.0. To begin, log into the app and navigate to the Explore Funds section to view the top-rated mutual fund schemes. Choose a scheme that aligns with your investment goals and tap on the SIP option. Select SIP for regular investment. Enter the amount you wish to invest and select the date on which you want the amount to be debited. You also have the option to place the first order immediately. Your SIP is now set up successfully. On the selected date, your SIP will be triggered automatically. You can track the progress of your ongoing SIP in the Registered SIP Reports section. Ab trading, sabke bas ki baat hai. Invest now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.